Australian YouTuber like Pakistani cheese paratha of Islamabad. But also I have some favorites paratha. One of them is the mixed veggie paratha. I mostly prepare it from the whole wheat flour and the mixed veggies. Almost these veggies are left over the later night. Then I use in these veggies in parathas next morning. I like it. First of all, I make two pedas, small pedas, and then I take some veggies and crush them. It the veggies are not minced like it, but it have chunks. I like chunks. If each chunk gave its original taste, so I mixed six veggies and then made two pedas and then stuffed these veggies inside it. I use mustard oil and very low quantity of mustard oil, which make it more healthier, more crispy. Let's start this paratha by making two small peras. And as I said that it's made of wheat, so it's not as beautiful as the maida paratha, but it's very healthy. And also I use the mustard oil, which is also very healthy. Luke Damant cheese paratha is famous is in Islamabad, but in our houses, the mixed veg paratha is also very famous. I have this leftover sabzi, leftover vegetables in it, carrot, shimla mirch, green pepper, potato, and cabbage, leafy cabbage. Now I had these two small pedas and I stuffed these vegetable in this paratha. We also use this paratha in breakfast. First I flatten these two pedas and this put this vegetable in it and then this roti to cover this and then again flatten the roti and make it a paratha. Now I cook this paratha on the tawa first. When it will cooked from one side, then I will turn it side and I will use mustard oil after cooking uh, this paratha. If I use cooking oil before cooking, then it will absorb all the oil and it becomes soggy. So first of all I cook a little this paratha and then fry it again. This paratha is cooked from one side. Now the best combo of this paratha is the raita. It is I have a curd and then I put it in salt. Then it is roasted cumin and button chili along with coriander. So it becomes a very delicious raita. Now my root paratha is also ready. Now put some oil on it. In this way, very little oil is used. I use this oil direct. It is a cold press oil, so I cannot need to it hot or processed before cooking. Very little oil is used and very crispy paratha will be made. With 2 tablespoons of oil, this paratha can be made. Otherwise, it will absorb a lot of oil, which become unhealthy. So it is crispy and delicious. Another paratha is also ready. This way.